Controversial bar owner Biju Ramesh on Monday said he was sticking to his statements in the bar bribery allegations raised by him. However, he said that Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, who had asked him to stand firm by his statements, changed his words. I had met Kodiyeri Balakrishnan when I was facing the threat of a false case against me. Then Pinarayi had asked me not to withdraw my allegations. I am not getting justice. The probe in the bar bribery case fizzled out after K. M. Mani called on the Chief Minister, he said. Biju Ramesh alleged that there was an unholy nexus between K. M. Mani and Pinarayi Vijayan. Communist now doesn't have the ideological purity it used to have in the past. Attempts were made to destroy me mentally and financially. The vigilance inquiry is a farce. The central agencies should investigate the bar scam. The affidavits submitted by 36 persons comprising MLAs and ministers during the election time were incorrect. When I revealed this to the Chief Minister then, he asked me to keep the details with me, Biju Ramesh said. I had given in writing to the vigilance that Jose K. Mani had tried to influence me. However, they told me that they had no authority to investigate all that. A competent agency should investigate the case. Everyone is aware of the old financial condition of Ramesh Chennithala and his present state, Biju Ramesh alleged. Biju Ramesh said when he was about to give the secret statement in the bar bribery case, Chennithala's wife had requested him not to harass her husband. At that time, he was the Home Minister. She told me that he had not eaten anything in the night, had not slept, and did not even have a cup of coffee in the morning. I told her that I will not harm him and hung up the phone. That is why I did not give statements against him, said Biju Ramesh. Biju Ramesh said that Chennithala had also called him up, but he later turned against him and ordered a crime branch probe. He alleged that Chennithala also received the money as part of a share of the bribe. Rupees 1 crore was given to him. Expressing his willingness to cooperate with further investigation in the bar bribery case, Biju Ramesh said governor's permission was not needed for the probe and the government itself can order the probe. Money collected was not 1 or 2 rupees. Lakhs of rupees was looted over 5 years. The vigilance had found out that money was collected during bar bribery deals, but what has to be found out is where this money has gone, he added. Meanwhile, Ramesh Chennithala has refuted Biju Ramesh's allegations. News Desk, Kaumudy English.